Click on this button once, and you will earn over $57. Clicking this button 10 times, you will earn over $570 in a day. It's completely free and available worldwide. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to ChatGPT. And I want you to type, "Give me 50 most popular and viral manifestation short video ideas for social media," in the form of command. And we know about ChatGPT, which is the best AI tool for this thing. So it will show you the best ideas for manifestation. So as you can see, these are the best manifestation ideas for creating short videos for social media. But don't worry, you don't need to create any videos yourself. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to use a camera. You don't need to record your voiceover or anything like that, because I will be sharing a free AI tool with you that's gonna do all of this for you. The method I am showing you today will help you to earn $57 per click if you follow every step shown in this video. So stay tuned until the end. Now, the reason why we are searching for these manifestation ideas is because if you come over to YouTube and search for manifestation, you will find many different manifestation shorts videos, and most of these viral videos are created by faceless creators. But don't worry, as I said, you won't be creating any videos because I will be sharing a free AI tool that will do all the hard work for you, so stay tuned. Now, as you can see, the faceless videos are getting most of the views in this manifestation niche, and if I show you some of the channels in this niche, like this Mindset Vibrations channel, you can see that they are a faceless channel, and most of their videos are faceless spirituality or manifestation videos. If we search by the popular videos, we can see that their most popular videos are getting 15 million views, 14 million views, 13 million views, and so on. Now you might be wondering, but how they are actually making money? Because YouTube doesn't pay much for YouTube Shorts views, and this channel only have 8 long-form videos. And how can we earn money with it? Here is the answer. They might not be earning much from YouTube AdSense revenue, but as you can see, they have a link in the bio. And if you click on this link, that's gonna take you to this page, where you can see that the Mindset Vibrations channel links to this app called InnerTune. So they are promoting this app as an affiliate. You can see that this app is free to install and use, but they also have in-app purchases. So every time someone clicks this link in the bio of this channel, they are taken to this page from where they can install this manifestation app, and as soon as they do so, the Mindset Vibrations channel earns a commission for that. Now they might be earning anywhere from $5 to $20 per referral, because manifestation is a very high-paying niche. You can see that every 1 out of 5 videos on their channel cross at least 100,000 views, sometimes even over 300,000 views, or over 600,000 views. And if I show you their social blade stats, you can see that the Mindset Vibrations channel has over 900,000 subs. And on average, they are getting over 11 million views every month. Out of these 11 million views, even if only 0.001% of people click on their link and register to this app, that becomes 11,000 people that they refer each month to this app. And with an average commission of $10 per referral, they are earning a whopping $110,000 each month, which is just crazy. And there are many manifestation channels similar to Mindset Vibrations doing the same thing, like this channel, Mindset Forge. They are talking more about manifesting success in life. As you can see, all of their videos are faceless and simple manifestation videos. If I show you their social blade stats, you can see that they have only around 100,000 subs on their channel, but they are also doing close to 10 million views every month, which is really awesome. Now, step number 2. If you are thinking about what app or software offer you will be promoting to your audience, you can just use digistore24.com or clickbank.com for that. Both of these are affiliate marketing platforms where you can find many different manifestation products and software to promote. I personally like ClickBank the most because here you can find much more offers in any niche as compared to Digistore24. And 2 of the best performing manifestation products are the Billionaire Brainwave and the Genius Wave. Both of these products are created by one company, and both of them are performing very well at the time I am recording this video. As you can see, both of these products have a good gravity of over 200 for the Billionaire Brainwave and over 500 for the Genius Wave. Gravity above 100 is considered great. If you promote Billionaire Wave, you will earn $45 per initial sale. But as you can see, they have the future recurring commission system in place, so you will easily earn over $57 from every sale you get from this product. Now you can choose to promote any offer you like from here. And to promote your offer, you just need to press this button, and the ClickBank will provide you with your custom affiliate link for this offer, which you can promote and earn over $57 in commission commission for every referral you get. Once you choose the offer, the step number 3 is to come over to InVideo.ai. I will leave a link to InVideo in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to come to InVideo AI and register yourself either using your Google Mail account or using your Apple ID. InVideo AI is a tool where you can create publish-ready videos using simple text prompts. So once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And now you can just start by copying any of the 50 video ideas from ChatGPT. So let's say I want to start with share a manifestation success story. I will just copy it from ChatGPT, come over to InVideo AI, and I will just paste it in this box. Then I will add some other details like use all the universe images throughout the video, add text for each and every sentence in the video, make it in the form of 9:16. Then I will just press this generate a video button right here, and this button gonna help us earn $57 every time we click on it. Because when we click on it, as you can see, the InVideo AI will start creating the video for us, and we can use that video created by InVideo AI and post it on different social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, where we can leave our affiliate link from ClickBank in the bio of our accounts, so that whenever someone clicks on our link and joins that offer, we get paid $57 commission per referral. Now, as you can see, our video is ready, so let's watch this video created by InVideo AI.
Why are there not more people talking about manifesting their dreams? It worked wonders for me.
So as you can see, it has generated a very creative script for the video. The stock footage and the texts used are just amazing. And if you can hear, there is nice background music, which aligns with our video theme. Don't worry about the watermarks on the video, you can remove them while exporting the video. And if you think that this is already impressive, just wait till you see what else it can do. Now, if you want to get paid from YouTube AdSense revenue also, then you must use a real human voice in your video. And the good thing is that InVideo AI provides you with the feature to clone your own voice. So to add your voice on InVideo, you just need to click on these 3 lines and select the voices option from there. That's gonna show you the page where you can add your voice to InVideo AI by pressing this button and following their guidelines. As you can see, I have already added my voice to InVideo, so if I want, I can give the command to InVideo AI to create videos in my voice. That is in the voice of Cash Pro. And the InVideo AI will use my cloned voice to narrate the videos. Just like this, if you clone your voice here, the InVideo AI will create the videos in your voice without you having to do any voiceover on every video or anything like that. So the next thing is to edit this video if you don't like something, or if you just want to add something to the video or remove something from it. The first way to edit this is to have InVideo themselves regenerate the complete video for you. To do this, you need to click on the versions option in the bottom left corner of your screen, and from there you just need to click where it says regenerate. You can change any preferences that you want to change in audience type, look and feel, and platform. Then just click on continue, and the InVideo AI is going to regenerate the entire video for you using our new inputs. Now, the second way to edit your videos is by doing it manually. And for this, you want to click on the edit button under the video. It will give you 3 options: edit music, edit media, or edit script. Starting with edit music. As you can see on this page, you can find many different music songs that you can use in your video. And if you want some specific type of music, you can search for that in this box. And if you like any music from here, you can use the same in our video by pressing the replace icon showing next to a particular music. Now, to edit media, it will show you all the different images and videos that InVideo AI used to generate the video. And as you can see, it highlights the scripts to show you where it used the media for. So for example, if we don't want this third stock footage, you can either click upload and upload something from your computer device, or you can search for different stock footage from over 8 million stock footage available on InVideo. So whatever you want for the video, you can search for that in the search bar. And on stock, you can select all and hit enter. Then it will show you all the different stock footage for what you asked for. Then you can just simply select any of the media and it will be replaced. All you need to do is hit apply changes, and the InVideo AI will start changing the media. Now the video is ready, and if we hit play, as you can see, it has replaced the third scene with the scene that we selected. Now if you want to manually edit the script, you can click edit script over here, and that's going to open a window for us where we can see the entire script, and we can change any part of the script or the whole script if we want to. Also, you can add a whole new section by clicking on these 3 dots and by selecting add chapter before or add chapter after option from here, and the chapter will be added to the video as well. Once you have made changes, just click on apply changes, and the InVideo AI will apply the changes to your video. Now the third way to edit your video is by just typing in this box what you need to be changed, edited, or replaced in the video. You can ask it to add a new intro to the video. You can ask it to change the pace of the video, increase the volume of the background music, change the voiceover, and much more. So for example, if I type here to change the voice to the male British voice and press the generate button, the InVideo AI will take a few minutes and it will will provide you with a male British voiceover for your video. So our video is ready, let's play it again.
Why are there not more people talking about manifesting their dreams? It worked wonders for me. Let me tell you my story.
So as you can see, the InVideo AI has changed the voice of the video to a male British voice with just a simple prompt, which is just awesome. Now if you want, you can also use the multilingual feature of InVideo AI by typing in this box, again, translate the video to, in any language you want. Let's say we want to translate the language to the Indian language Hindi. We will just type that in this box and press generate so that InVideo AI can translate the video to Hindi. Our video is ready again, so let's play it.
अपने सपनों को सच करने के बारे में ज्यादा लोग बात क्यों नहीं करते? इसने मेरे लिए कमाल कर दिया।
As you heard, this translation was just amazing. You can see that the InVideo AI is the best software to create text-to-speech videos, and you can edit them as you like, because you can pretty much tell this AI to do any work for you, and it will apply the exact same changes to the video. So now the fourth step is to export the video. So just click on where it says download, then just make sure you have 1080p selected. Now if you want, you can export the video with iStock and Storyblocks watermark on it, or you can remove the watermarks from the video and the branding of InVideo AI from the video by simply upgrading your plan. So if you download the video, you can upload the same to different social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Then just repeat the process, click on this generate button, create a video, and post it on your different faceless social media accounts. And boom, you will start earning $57 for every click, because each video created using InVideo AI will get you at least one sale worth over $57 if you promote the offers as I showed you today. Just don't forget to add your affiliate link for the offers in your bio. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.